Welcome to Paper Cup Travel. Today I am going to be doing a quick little comparison of the main features of the 3 base model Bioceramic Swatch collection, that being the Mission to the Planets, the Moonphase, and the EarthPhase. For starters, we have the original series. This is the Mission to Neptune. And you can see it has the stopwatch feature with the milliseconds and the seconds. Then they introduced the Moonphase, which got rid of the milliseconds, switched from the tachometer to the pulsations, and added the Moonphase. And then from there, they got rid of the seconds on the stopwatch, went back to the tachometer, and added the EarthPhase. Now, the operation of all these watches are the same. However, setting and adjusting is different. So for starters, the operation is to start the stopwatch, and you'll see the seconds start ticking. Then you can stop. You'll see the milliseconds there go, and you can reset. Or start. You can pause it, take your reading, press the bottom again, and you can see it catches up. Once again, we can pause it and start again. If it does cycle all the way through, you'll see the minute move forward. And stop and reset. Now for setting and adjusting the original MoonSwatch series, each of these watches have 3 positions on the crown. That's all the way in, 1 out, and 2 out. The instructions may refer to it a little differently as position 1, 2, and 3 or so. But for this video, I'm just going to refer to it as 1 out and 2 out, or all the way in kind of thing. So all the way in, no adjustments or settings are made at the twist of the crown, or these buttons, they stay in operation mode. 1 out, if we press the top, you'll see the microseconds adjust. You can hold it for fast movement, and that's the new starting position. The bottom will adjust the seconds, and hold it again. And if you wanted to adjust those minutes, you would pull it all the way out, so the second click and the top. And you can see the minutes adjusting its position. Also in the all out or second click position is where you adjust the time. And as always, I recommend going clockwise so as not to harm the movements when adjusting your clocks. And then all the way back in, we'll set it back into operational mode, and now all fine adjustments or starting points that you would have made will start. And always come back to those positions until reset. There is no quick reset. You must cycle back through all those positions to adjust it back to a 0 or up position. That was the bottom, I think. Oh, top, sorry. Moving on to the Moonphase. This is a limited edition super blue moon. it will operate the same as the black or white Moonphase Snoopy editions as well. So once again, same operations. You can start, stop, reset. You can start, pause for a lap, and restart, and then stop and reset. And to make your adjustments to this watch, again, we're going to pop it out once, and the top in this case acts as a toggle between the minutes and the seconds for the stopwatch. So right now I've popped it out once, and I will be able to press the bottom to adjust the seconds, or I can hold it to spin quickly. Let me just move that out of the way. If I press it again, the top one, now the seconds will be adjustable. If you wanted to adjust the seconds again, you're going to press it. You see it spin around, which indicates that you're back into its starting position, or its default position essentially. And we can move the seconds again. Press it again, and the minutes can be reset. Pull it to the second position. Now again, we can adjust the clock by spinning the crown, or we can use the bottom button to adjust the moon. So if you hold down, it'll spin quickly into its, I believe, eighths. Or you can click it once to make little fine adjustments. And then we can all the way back in to put it back into operational mode. And then as we go into the EarthPhase, this is the limited edition Hunter Moon that was released in October, but will operate the same as the EarthPhase moon, or EarthPhase MoonSwatch. Once again, start. Sorry, put that all the way. Once again, start, stop, reset, start, lap, go, start, or stop, and reset. With this watch, because we have the EarthPhase, it gets even a little bit more complicated, I suppose. But if we come out once, we can see that spin, and the bottom will adjust your seconds of the stopwatch. I'm just going to put that all the way back around. And these are notorious, all of them, for not lining up at the perfect zero position. So this one is a little bit behind. And if I click it, you can see it passes over the midnight there. So the best I can do on this one is a second before. And we're going to pop it out to the second position there. And if you press the top only, the top will move the earth only. So we should be able to see the adjustments on the earth there. Again, press once for short adjustments and hold for longer adjustments. Let me go again there. And the bottom will adjust both the moon and the earth at the same time. So you can see the earth moving and the moons. And I imagine the earth phase movement to move that only would be depending on which hemisphere or part of the world you are in to adjust it to that appropriate time. And then of course, all the way back in to set it back to operational mode. Thank you for watching this quick how to operate, set, and adjust the Swatch and Omega MoonSwatch Bioceramic collection. As always, if you enjoy these videos, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment.